everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my November 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And we're just going to go ahead and get into it. I did cut the tab already so that I could see inside. I already had my makeup on, otherwise I was thinking about doing a try-on style. But I mentioned this last month that I was going to do like a get ready with me using just my Ipsy products. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that this month. So stay tuned for next week. I will be filming and posting get ready with me using just my Ipsy products. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is the Glam Bag Plus, not the Glam Bag Ultimate or the original Glam Bag. So here it is. It says Discover Yourself. We're going to open up the little styrofoam here, and that's what it looks like. We're going to kick the little card out. That is what we've got going on here. It looks like it might be a little bit crushed, just a hair. So, all right. Got the card here. It looks like the theme is Wild Side. It says this month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. So it's got all the products on it. I actually don't have lipstick on right now. I just realized I had lipstick on earlier. It wore off. And right now I have a Neutrogena, like a glowy balm kind of a thing. So if it looks like I'm wearing gloss, I kind of am. So, all right, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out right here. This is from Douce. It's the Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. I'm not going to open the wand, but I am going to open the box and pull it out. Okay, so that's kind of pretty. The packaging is nice. That is what it looks like. It's got a pretty red cap and then the black sleek bottle. I'm not going to pull that out. Let's go ahead and read to you from the card though. This is the Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. If you love the look of false lashes, then this mascara is for you. It delivers on drama and length without any smudging, flaking, or clumping. It's from Douce. I don't know. I think it's Douce. A beauty brand founded by two fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individuality through makeup. Tip, start at the root of your lashes and gently wiggle the brush through the entire length of your lashes. Wait a moment, then apply a second coat. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and put that back in there. I'm not going to open it up right now because I don't want it to start, drying out or anything. So I'm not going to open it right now. Let's go ahead and pull this out right here. So from this is from Ilamasqua. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and pull this open. I think there it goes. I just wanted to be stuck in the box. Ooh, isn't that pretty? That's a pretty packaging. It's a little like tub. You guys see that? And it does say Ilamasqua on it. I don't know if it's going to focus enough for you to see that it says that on the tub there. Looks like it is, but it's just a little tub. Let's see what it looks like when you open it. All right, so it actually has a little spoon on there. That is cute. That's super cute. Oh my golly. Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to open it without breaking it. Oh, okay. Oh my golly, that is unexpected. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna break it. There we go. Okay, so it is just a clear gel. You can't really tell because of the packaging being all black, but the lid comes off. I'm trying to see if I can get the little spoon to pop up. Because there we go. Okay, I got the spoon to pop out, so I guess you scoop it out with a spoon and you can then use it rather than like sticking your hands in there, which is nice. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the spoon back on, I think I broke it actually. Maybe? I don't know. I think so. I think I broke it. Yes, I did. Hold on. Hold, please. All right, so if you haven't gotten yours yet and broken it, the spoon, I think, is supposed to slide off from the front. And I don't know that mine's going to work now because I did kind of break. Oh, wait, no, I got it. So it's actually slides. So you're supposed to slide it down to pull it out, and then it slides back in. So the packaging. Hold, please. All right, it got pretty shook up. It looks like it's okay. I'm kind of clumsy. Okay, let's read from the card. The Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. The ultimate time saver, Hydra Veil is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. Tip: apply a small dollop of Hydra Veil to fresh, clean skin. Gently apply to your face and massage into your skin until the product is fully absorbed. Okay. Next item. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and pull the bag out because they are starting to put bags in all of the Glam Bag Plus boxes. This is actually kind of cute. Okay, so, it says Ipsy on the little tag on the side. It is like a leopard print. I like the tassel. It's almost like a fake suede. And then even the inside of the bag is just like a deep brown. So actually that's really kind of cute. And it's bigger than some of the other bags, like the regular standard Ipsy Glam bags. So that's actually kind of cute. All right. Moving on to the next item. I'm going to pull this one out because it's kind of beat up a little bit, but it's fine, I'm sure. So this is the Apto Skincare Pomegranate Mask. Okay, let's see if it's open inside. No, I think it has a safety seal on it. It does. So I'm not going to get a chance to smell it or anything like that, and that's fine. But this is what it looks like. It's just a squeezy tube. It is a more of like a pineapple shade than a pomegranate shade, right? Isn't pomegranates red? All right, this is the Apto Skincare Pomegranate Mask. For skin that's on the fritz, this mask is made for you. Infused with calming azelaic, acid made from barley, this antioxidant-rich vegan mask is especially good if you're experiencing redness or inflammation. It's all natural, which means the color may vary. All right. Tip: cleanse and exfoliate your skin, then apply a thin mask layer, allowing it to sink in for 10 minutes. Rinse off in the shower or with tepid water and a cotton pad. All right. Cool. Next item. I'm going to put the Illamasqua back in the box too before I drop it and, All right. Next item here. Okay, so this is Gigi Gorgeous. I think that they did a collaboration. Ipsy and Gigi did a collaboration. In fact, as you look through my different Ipsy bags this month, I got several of their products that are in this collaboration. So let's go ahead and pull this out. There it is. Okay, so this is the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo, Turnt and Extra. Okay. So there was a little piece of paper, plastic on here that says Gigi Gorgeous. But that is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you. Okay, when I swatch them, that's weird. Okay, so they do change color a little bit when I swatch them, when I put my fingers in them. Okay, so that's weird. The tone on them is definitely different. So this one is actually the one that's darker in the pan, and this is the one that's lighter in the pan. I don't know if you can see that. They don't look like they're that much different. I think it's more the undertone that's different than the actual shade, even though they look significantly different in the pan. I'm wondering if it's one of those ones that you just like swirl the whole thing to get like both shades. Hold on, I'm going to read you from the card and see if that's what it says, because that would be my guess, that you just swirl the whole pan. Let's see what it says. This is the Gigi Gorgeous, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. Tip: swirl your preferred brush into the pan, tap off excess, and dust over your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline anywhere sunlight would hit your face. So yeah, you can just mix them both. I wonder if the shades would work for everybody though. I don't know. You do tell Ipsy like your skin tones and stuff, so maybe that is what you deal with. All right, and there's one more thing in my box. It is this right here. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus blush palette for all skin tones, and it's actually wrapped in plastic, which is kind of cool. We don't normally, like, they don't normally send products that are like wrapped in plastic like this, at least not powder products, I should say. But the packaging is super adorable. That is what it looks like on the outside. Okay, there it is. And there is a little piece of plastic in there. There are the 4 shades in the blush palette. So it looks like it's Hibiscus, Harvest, Petal, and Dewdrop. It looks like these have highlights. These look like highlights. They're definitely shimmers, if not highlights. So this is the Happy Hibiscus Blush Palette. Makeup that's healthy, organic, and fair trade, so you can feel good using it. Sign us up. This vegan blush palette is made with 99% natural ingredients, and it's flattering on every skin tone. The peachy and shimmery shades can be mixed and matched for a custom glowy flush. Tip, apply either hibiscus or petal blush, which are the 2 on this side, to the apples of your cheeks for a luminous pop of color. For a touch of shimmer, sweep Harvest or Dewdrop on high points of cheekbones. So they are kind of a highlighter or maybe just a blush topper. It looks like a highlighter on my finger, I'll give you that, or I'll tell you that. All right. There's not much payout in that one. Okay, so the 2 definitely look like highlighters. I'm going to re-swatch Hibiscus, which was that dark matte, because I'm not getting much payout on that. Okay, so this is Hibiscus, this is Harvest, this is Petal, and this is Dewdrop. So that is basically the way it is on my hand. So Hibiscus I had to dip in twice and I still didn't get a lot of payoff. Petal's pretty. I really like Dewdrop and I would definitely wear that as a highlighter, this one right here. And even this one, Harvest, is actually not a bad shade. And I don't know that I'd be able to wear it as a highlighter, but I'd definitely be able to wear it as like a blush topper. So the only shade in there that let me down a little bit is Hibiscus, because it's just not, I mean, I'm sure I could probably continue to build it up, but right out of the packaging, I'm just not getting a lot of payoff on it. But it is a darker shade. So for me, because I'm so fair, I personally wouldn't want it to be any dark or any more pigmented because I would struggle being able to wear that. So, all right. So my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for November, I got the Seraphine Botanicals Blush Palette, the Gigi Gorgeous Bronzer, the Ilamasqua Veil Primer, Hydra Veil Primer, the face mask, and the mascara. So that's pretty cool. Overall, I'm pleased with the box. And yeah, let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus if you got one. I am also going to be getting my Glam Bag Ultimate and my Glam Bag. I actually received this one first. The other 2 should be coming in the next couple of days. So I'm not sure what order you'll be seeing them in, but you'll be seeing them all this week. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button and don't forget the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I do appreciate all of the interaction you guys give and leave me comments and so on and so forth. I really appreciate it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!